Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Twisted Axle Motorsports, sitting here at Gratiot Avenue with the season opener. We got Twisted Axle Car Club here at Gratiot, Coney Island, Friday night, starting at 7 p.m. We're gonna do this weekly, and we're sitting out here, man. We got a lot of different cars out here today. Mild to wild, some radical stuff, man. We just had some race cars kind of roll out, and we had a couple race cars roll in, and we got a little bit of everything. So let's take a spin around here, and we even got some Demon 170s that came in. So let's check them out.
Yeah, I had an alternate live there.
Nice. Nice Ranger just rolled in here. Some meats on the back called Betty White. How cool is that? Let's go down this aisle and follow that. You guys already know Rick's RT down here, and he's got his new Camaro. Oh yeah. And got the golden oldie over here, the dark GT Demon. Look at that. And this guy over here with the GTO, man, it's got a modern driveline in it. We got some muscle over here. All right, got all the cool cars showing up tonight. Not bad for the first season opener here. I like this Ranger, that's cool. This guy lives down the street from me. Saw this guy at Ugly Dragway. All right.
Bring this with me.
Right. All right. And I'm not even sure who has the Gold Duster, to be honest with you. Got the Mad Max over here. All right, so not only are we going to have a car show out here on Friday nights, we also plan to do some Gratiot cruising. We want to bring back Gratiot Avenue, just like the old days. A lot of my friends have been cruising Gratiot for decades, so we want to keep and maintain that. The road's real nice here, and we are sitting here at Gratiot, Coney Island, and having a good old time here. So come on out. We got the Supernova out in the front. I'd like to go cruising. Whoa.
Brakes weren't.
Oh yeah. Right.
Sorry.
Excuse me. No problem. Sounds wild, man. Like it. Small block. Look at that.
That's what I said. That's the epitome of shoving 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag right there.
Checking out Betty White's heart here.
Yep.
My granddaughter's name, but I had to say that.
Okay, right? We got some meats on there, man. Howdy. So we got TX9 D170 and J5 D170. Look at that. Sounded awesome.